Hey everyone, and welcome to how to deposit and how to withdraw on KuCoin. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to deposit and how to withdraw on KuCoin. Now without further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do, if you want to deposit crypto onto KuCoin, is to go over to Assets, and then you want to go over to Main Account, because over on this page, you can deposit and withdraw. And once you're on your main account page, you need to go over to the deposit button in the top right. You'll then be sent over to a page looking similar to this one, and you need to go over to please select the coin and search for the cryptocurrency you would like to deposit onto KuCoin. For me, this currency will be RSR, and then you just want to select the cryptocurrency, and once you've done that, you need to go over to the exchange you would like to withdraw from. For me, this exchange will be Binance. However, the process will be the same on any other crypto exchange. Now what you need to do is to look for a withdrawal button. On Binance, this button is located under the wallet section over on their Finance Spot page. Once you're on your Finance Spot page, you need to go over to the withdrawal button, click on the coin selector and search for the cryptocurrency you would like to transfer. Now once you have selected the currency, you'll then see that the next thing you need to fill in is the address. So to find this address, you need to go over to KuCoin and then you want to copy your address. Now if you need to choose between multiple chains and you're not sure which one to use, when you go over to Binance and once you have selected the currency you have got selected on KuCoin, you need to click on Network and you'll then see all the chains that are supported on Binance. So you just need to look for a network that is available on Binance and on KuCoin. And as you can see, the ARC20 or Ethereum chain is available on both of the exchanges. So just go ahead and paste in your wallet address, and you'll then see that your wallet address has automatically been matched to the corresponding network. And if you're transferring a currency that supports multiple networks, you'll see that when you have pasted in your address and click on Network, all the unmatched networks are automatically removed, and you can then go ahead and select either one of the chains that is still available. Now once you have filled in the address and selected the right network, you can then go ahead and fill in the amount you would like to transfer. You can also click on Max to select all of your available holdings, and if you would like to withdraw from your funding wallet, make sure to address that here. You can then go ahead and click on Withdrawal, and you'll then see the withdrawal confirmation pop-up. So please be sure to double check all the information to make sure you haven't made any mistakes, and then just click on Continue. You'll then have to click on Get Code and fill in all the two-factor authentication codes sent to your email, your phone, or maybe generated in the Google Authenticator. And once you've done that, you just need to click on Submit. And if you would like to withdraw from KuCoin, once again, you need to go over to Assets and click on Main Account. Now instead of going over to the deposit button, you need to click on Withdrawal. Then you want to click on the coin selector and select the currency you would like to withdraw from KuCoin. For me, this will be Algorand. And once you have selected the currency, you'll then need to go over to the crypto exchange you would like to withdraw to. For me, this crypto exchange will be Binance. However, the process will be the same on any other crypto exchange. Now what you need to do is to look for a deposit button. On Binance, this button is located under the wallet section over on their Finance Spot page. And once you're on the Finance Spot page, you need to click on the deposit button. Then you want to go over to Select Coin, click on the coin selector and search for the same cryptocurrency you have selected on KuCoin. Then you want to select it and you then see all the networks available for your cryptocurrency. In this case there's only one chain available, but if there's multiple chains available, all you need to do is to go over to KuCoin, click on the network drop down arrow and look at which chains are available. And then you want to go back over to the other exchange, click on the network and look for the chains available on both the other exchange and on KuCoin. Now in this case only the Algorand chain is available. Once you have selected the right chain, you can then go ahead and copy your address. Then you want to go over to KuCoin and paste in your wallet address. You'll then have to select the network, and please be aware that if you transfer your cryptocurrency to the address of another coin, you will lose all the funds you're transferring, and the same goes for the network. If you select one network on KuCoin and another network on the other exchange, you will lose your funds once again. So please double check if you have selected the right cryptocurrency and if you're using the right network. Then you just want to go ahead over to the amount and fill in the amount you would like to transfer. You can also click on Max to select all of your available holdings. And as you can see, right now my maximum amount available is 0, even though I've got quite a few Algorand coins available on my KuCoin account. Now the reason for this is because I've stored my cryptocurrency on my trading account and not on my main account. So if your currency is stored on the trading account, you need to go over to trading account, then you want to go over to the coin, click on transfer and select the trading account on the left and your main account on the right. Then you want to select the coin, click on the available amount and click on confirm. Now as you can see, when I go back over to my main account, my Algorand is stored right here. So just go over to withdrawal once again, paste in the wallet address, select the network and click on the max amount. And now the last and final thing you need to do, if you want to transfer your funds, is to click on confirm. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.